So it was expected to happen sooner or later, a leaked live hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and it's all thanks to Max from XTA Developers. Y'all make sure to follow his Twitter link in the description below. This phone looks absolutely beautiful, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. There have been leaks after leaks after leaks of this device, and now finally a little hands-on video giving us a little tease. Now it doesn't show much, but it does show enough to get an idea of beauty and size. Max also posted a picture with the S20 Plus next to the S10 Plus, and this phone looks massive. It is bigger than the S10 Plus, which honestly, I don't mind at all. The camera setup looks a lot better than the renders, and that display looks beautiful. So specs for the S20 Plus include a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, 128 to 512 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, a 4,500 milliamp battery with 25-watt fast charging, and it will be running the Snapdragon 865 processor. Now, the 120 Hz refresh rate will only be available at Full HD Plus resolution. If you switch to WQHD Plus resolution, your screen will change to standard refresh rate, which is 60 Hz. Kind of a bummer, but that's what it is. There will also be no headphone jack, making this the first Galaxy S device to come without one. But like the Note 10, it will come with USB Type-C earbuds, which actually sound really good. Now, when it comes to cameras, the S20 Plus will not have the 108 megapixel main sensor. Only the S20 Ultra will have that. Cameras for this one include a 12 megapixel camera, 64 megapixel camera, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens as well, with a time of flight sensor. In my opinion, I know the cameras will still be amazing, but when it comes to the S20 Ultra, they will be even more amazing, coming with 108 megapixel main sensor, a 48 megapixel sensor with 10 times optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, which is always nice to have. It will also have the time of flight sensor and 100 times space zoom. I have talked about this in a previous video, so go check that out. But nighttime low light capabilities are going to be mind-blowing. Other specs for the S20 Ultra include up to 512 gigabytes of storage with an SD card slot with 1 terabyte support, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a massive 5,000 milliamp battery with 45-watt fast charging. Hopefully this time they will include the 45-watt fast charger in the box, but of course we'll just have to wait and see. There is just so much we know about these devices already, and I am super excited for them. Even the official wallpapers, which look really nice, has leaked out as well thanks to Max. Then this live hands-on video, which is what I originally wanted to share with you all, but ended up going over some of the specs. If you want to know more about some of the cool features coming, go check out my previous videos. Unpacked is right around the corner, and I will be there to cover it all, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Let me know what you think of this hands-on video. Give this video a like and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.